Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP and MySQL series, and in today's video I will teach you that how you can add jQuery in your HTML file. So as I teach you in the previous video that we are going to use jQuery to learn Ajax. So the first part is we have to add jQuery in our website so we can use that. So in this video I'm going to teach this. So first of all, I will open my browser and search here jQuery.com. You will see this button, download jQuery. Just click on this, scroll down, and here you will see a heading using jQuery with a CDN. Here you will see this link. Just click on this, and here you have to click on minified. Just copy this and open your editor, and here I will create a file like 2_ajax.php. Here I will create a basic structure of our HTML. In the head section you have to paste that link that we have copied from jQuery.com website, and now we have to, this is basically a jQuery CDN. Once you will add this link in your head section, you will able to use jQuery in your HTML. To test this, I will type here script opening and closing tag, and here I will type jQuery, and inside this I will pass a parameter like document dot ready, and inside this we have to pass a function. So basically I have passed a arrow function inside this. If you did not know that what are arrow functions in JavaScript, you can search online, but basically this is a arrow function in JavaScript, and inside this I will just display an alert to my user like jQuery is added. Press semicolon. Now again I have to click on XAMPP so I can start my server. Here you can see that my server is started successfully. Maybe you will see a dialog here on the top left section, and you have to start your Apache and MySQL server. Once you will start your local server, you have to open your browser and type here localhost/learn, which is the folder name exists in our htdocs folder, and in the last we have to write our file name. Let me copy this file name from here and paste at this position. So you can see that jQuery is added. Because this alert is working, it means that jQuery is added successfully. If I will comment this one and refresh, you will see that nothing will be happen, and in our console you will see an error that jQuery is not defined. So you have to add this link to use jQuery. So that's it. I hope you must enjoyed this video guys, and in the next video we will learn about how we set up a Ajax request to send to our server. Share this video with those friends who want to learn web development, and finally thanks for watching.